Isang mapagpalang araw, this is a very quick video lesson on rational numbers. So, the set of rational numbers is normally represented by script letter Q. So, Q, no, for quotient. Okay, so by definition, a rational number is any number which can be expressed as P upon Q. So, ratio between P and Q, where Q is the denominator and therefore should not be equal to 0. So, sa mga nalilito pa, bakit hindi pwedeng mag-divide by 0, there is a separate video on that. Pakihanap na lang. So, examples ng mga rational numbers, we have 1/4, negative 3 upon 5, 2 upon 7. So, lahat sila ay fractions or rational numbers. So, the number 5 is also a rational number because we can always express it as 5 upon 1. Ganun din yung decimal number na negative 2.25 because we can also express it as negative 2.25 upon 1. So, yung mga natural numbers, rational numbers din sila kasi pwede silang palaging express na 1 ang denominator. Now, the next slides are proof that repeating non-terminating decimals are rational numbers. No? So, repeating, so yung nauulit like 0.333, 0.666, 0.555. So, repeating decimal, tapos non-terminating, yung hindi nag-end, no? Like this one. So, repeating non-terminating decimals are in fact rational numbers. So, for example, if we let 0.333 be equal to n, so we would have n is equal to 0.333. So if we multiply this by 10, so we have 10n is equal to 3.333. So if we subtract n from 10n, so we would have 10n minus n. So we would have 3.333 minus 0.333. So we would have 10n minus n, so that is 9n. 3.333 minus 0.3333, so that would be 3. And therefore, we have 9n equals 3, or n is equal to 1/3. And therefore, we were able to show that 0.333 is in fact equal to 1/3. So clearly, this is a rational number of the form P upon Q. Also, if we let n be equal to 0.666 or 0.666 be equal to n, and we multiply it by 10, so we would have 10n is equal to 6.666. So, just the same, we would subtract n from 10n, so we would have 9n. 0.666, we subtract from 6.666, so we would have 6. And then we would have 9n is equal to 6, and therefore n is equal to 2/3. No? So, divisible by 3 sila pareho. And therefore, we were able to prove once again that 0.666 is in fact equal to 2/3, and 2/3 clearly is a rational number of the form P upon Q. Finally, so if we let 0.55 be equal to n, we multiply it by 10, so we would have 10n equal to 5.555. Again, if we subtract n from 10n, so we would have 9n. And if we subtract 0.555 from 5.555, so we would have 5. And therefore, we have 9n is equal to 5, or n is equal to 5/9. And therefore, we were able to show that 0.55 is equal to 5 upon 9, which is clearly a rational number of the form P upon Q. And therefore, we were able to show that repeating non-terminating decimals are in fact rational numbers. So that's it. Thank you for listening.